Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can list an item on eBay with multiple options or multiple sizes, multiple colors. This is very quick and easy. All you need to do guys is you want to drop a like on this video. That would be highly appreciated. Let's get started right now. So let's get just click on sell in the top here. As you can see, click on sell. Now after that you just need to click again on create a listing, okay, and then click on single listing or multiple listings. Okay, so after that you just need to act like you are going to upload a random product here. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to I'll add the title of the product. Click on search here, or this icon, click continue without match. I'm going to click on new, continue to listing. All right, so now after that, after you are here, you can also upload the photos, okay, of the product. Click on open. These are the photos of the product. Keep in mind that not all listings are eligible for like different variants. Okay, not all listings are like eligible for that. Now, as you can see, this listing is eligible, and it says here variations save time and money by listing multiple variations of your item in one multi-quantity fixed price listing. Now, in the top first, in the top here, these three little dots here, as you can see, when I click on them, click on settings, and make sure you toggle this off, or toggle this on. I'm sorry, that says here variations. You want to make sure if it's toggled off like this, you just need to just click on it, toggle it on, okay. And after that, what you guys need to do is just scroll down, okay, and see if you can see this message, that if you can see this text that says here variations, okay. If you cannot see it, then what you need to do, what you need to do in this case, you either change the product to something else, or you change the category or the item category, okay, because it's not eligible for all categories. Not like, as you can see, I'm going to click here. As you can see, it says here list different variations of the item, including different colors, sizes, limited to qualifying item categories. Buy it now for pricing format and other criteria. Okay, you can also click on learn more to know exactly what categories are eligible to list like different variations. Okay, so scroll down. Okay, if you can see it here, click on edit. Okay, after you click guys on edit, then what you guys need to do, you can just remove all of this. Okay, remove it, and then click add, and then click on, for example, you can also add your own. Click on here, and then I'm going to select here color. Okay, click on save. Now if you have a product with different colors, you can then create your own, for example, create options. Now for example, I have a product with pink color, click on add, and I also have a product with a black color, click on add. You can also add another another option, which is, for example, the size. Okay, click on add your own. I'm going to click size, for example, click on save. Now you can create the size, for example, XL, for example, click on add, for example, M, add. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this. You can also add different colors and different sizes on one product. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the size because I only have a product with different colors. I don't have a product with different sizes. Okay, I only have a product with two different colors. You can also add as many colors as you want. Okay, just click on this create on. You can also add the color of like green, for example, click on add. Now we have a total of 3 colors, as you can see here. Now click on continue. Now as you can see at the bottom here, if you scroll down, you can add the price for each color. Now for example, if the pink color is expensive than other colors, you just need to add here a specific price for this color. For example, I'm going to add $10 just for this pink color, or you can add the same price if you want, and $20 for black color. Like I said, this is just an example. Of course, it's not going to be this expensive just because the color is different, of course, but this is just an example to show you guys how this works. Now also like I'm going to add $16 for the green color, and you can also change the quantity here. You can add different quantities for each color, and then after that, okay, so after you do this, what you guys need to do here is you can also use default photos. For example, I'm going to show what I mean exactly. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click, for example, on okay, I'm going to go Okay, I'm going to go here. Now you can also like add a picture specifically for that color. Now if you click here, it says default color, default photos. You can click on color, okay, or size or whatever. Now pink, you need to upload the picture specifically for the pink color, and you want to click again on black, and then upload a specific picture for the black color, and then green, specific picture for the green color. Okay, now after you are finished, and that's it. That's exactly how you can do this. Okay, now each person that visits your eBay product, now they will have like 3 different options. Now if they click on black, they will also see black on the product page, like the color of black in their picture, okay, in the picture in the product page. Now after you are finished, you want to click on save and close. Okay, now you have successfully created an item with different colors. Okay, as you can see, we have now an item with different colors, which is pink and black and green. Now you just need to add all the item specifications and stuff like that, and after that you want to click on list it. Okay, that's exactly how you can add like products with different colors or different sizes. I hope guys this video brings value to you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, please go to the comments and let me know all your questions. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.